Nakita ko pakalat-kalat sila sa labas eh. Diba? Gusto rin ng guesting. Sinama ko na. Angel Guardian and of course, Ramia!
Teka, wait, tama-tama ha, kasi magsisimula na yung game natin. Maglalaro tayo mga kababol, kaya isama na natin itong dalawang to.
Yes!
Okay? Okay, ready na.
Wait lang po. Gusto ko lang malaman paano yung laro.
Ay, nako, ang dali lang. Huwag kang mag-alala kasi itong laro dito, hindi kasing hirap ng mga ginagawa mo doon sa Running Man. Yung game natin ngayon, gagawa lang kayo ng English sentence.
Ayan.
Wow.
At teka, mahirap yun.
Mas mahirap yun. Ang God.
Pero,
I'm terrified!
Oy, teka, pero hindi basta sentence ha. Dapat kasama yung word na mabubunot nyo dito. Okay? In short, parang use in a sentence lang to. Okay? At ito pa, hindi nyo kailangan idugtong yung sentence nyo dun sa sentence ng player na kasunod.
Pero kailangan siyempre may sense.
Dapat.
Alam ba, nagkaroon tayo ng tie.
Oo.
Yung mas mahabang sentence, yun yung mananalo.
Yan.
Okay? Kaya ang tip ko sa inyo, habaan nyo na yung sentence nyo.
Habaan nyo?
Okay? Pero I think the English should be at least correct.
Tama.
Okay, at least it should be correct.
Tsaka, importante dyan, tama ang spelling.
Tama. Isusulat pa.
Hindi. Tama, basta kailangan maibigay ng player ang sentence sa loob lang ng 5 seconds. 5 seconds, ha? Ready na kayo? Ready na kayo? Simulan natin.
Yes, you're
I
ready.
know.
Are you ready?
I'm super ready!
Ana, are you ready na? Okay. Paano? Simulan natin.
Okay.
Siguro.
Sige. Lozano. Matt Lozano. Ano daw?
And the word is
Optometrist.
optometrist.
Optometrist. Matt, you have 5 seconds. Timer starts now.
My eye is hurting. That's why I went to the optometrist.
Pwede.
Mabot naman. Mabot naman. Oh.
May sense. May sense. O, tingnan natin. Okay. Cheska.
Okay, kinakabahan na.
Okay.
What's the word?
Okay.
The word is calcium. Timer starts now.
I think I have a condition with my bone, so I think I need to intake more calcium.
Hindi kailangan.
Kala ko you want to watch a concert, that's why you went to Araneta Coliseum.
Okay. Ganda.
Luma.
EA.
Oh my God!
So easy for you.
So easy, yeah.
I mean, the word is barbell. Barbell. Ready? Timer starts now.
You know what, guys? I went to the gym. That's why I need barbell.
A while ago, we had lunch and you ate barbecue. Okay, Anna B, this is the word. The word is titillating.
5 seconds.
5 seconds, go.
When I see my crush, I'm feeling titillating. Ano ba yun?
Kaya, okay, alam mo na siguro. Malamang ikaw na mamaya, alam mo yan. Ready? Ay, ito si Rabia.
Nako po. Sana nga Q&A na. Sige.
Ayan na. The word is
Carbonara.
carbonara.
Last night, I had carbonara and I had a stomach ache. That's why I vomited up until 5 a.m. But it's okay.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. I'm here working for Bubble Gum. I'm okay now. Ay,
Wala.
mahaba-haba yun, ha?
Mahaba yun. Eto na. Angel.
Nakaka-pressure nga ba nung sagot niya?
Please don't be pressured.
Ayan na. Op. Oh,
Encyclopedia.
naabutan niyo ba to?
Oo naman.
Okay, encyclopedia. Timer starts now.
I'm looking for a word that has a deep meaning, so I look at... Ano ba yan? Wala na! Wala second chance!
Dapat dictionary.
May pili mo mamaya.
Wala na word!
At saka,
Walang timer starts now.
sinabi ko.
Dapat
meron ba?
sinabi, oo. Dapat hindi word ang hinanap mo, dapat time.
At saka, kung maghahanap ka ng ibig sabihin ng word, sa dictionary ka kukuha, hindi sa encyclopedia.
Okay. Liban na tayo dito sa kabila, Kokoy. Pwede mag-back out? Back out is not a word that's in here. Okay? O you choose.
Damayan ko na lang kaya si Angel.
No, ako naman talaga napakabayani mo. You're so heroic. Ang dali. Oh, pakita mo. The word is overpass.
Overpass.
Kokoy, you now have 5 seconds. Timer starts now.
So, I'm in a hurry earlier, so I went to the overpass going here in GMA.
Parang dinala sa attitude. Gumagano gano'n na. Gumagano gano'n.
Alam mo, nagkaroon na siya ng confidence kasi alam niyang talo na si Angel. So lahat sila nagkaroon. Wala nang mas papangit pa.
Okay, Cha, it's your turn. I said it's your turn, so you have to turn. There you go.
Dog.
Ang hirap. The word is dog. Okay, you now have 5 seconds. Timer starts now.
You know, I had a dog. My last dog was 3 years ago, and I miss him. His name is Cheetos. Shout out to you, Cheetos.
Hey! Shout out, Tito!
Okay, writer natin.
Ano ba yan?
Writer natin. Cheetos. Cheetos Francisco. Shout out, Cheetos Francisco. Belated happy birthday, Cheetos.
Oh, yeah. Belated happy birthday.
Betong, your turn.
Oh my goodness. Oh, let's go.
Show the word.
Uy! Ikaw yan!
The word is
Candy.
candy.
Uy!
Candy, yeah.
You use candy in a sentence. You have 5 seconds. Ready? Go.
One of my Christmas lists is receiving candy. That I'm feeling.
Pero tama naman yun eh.
Hindi buo eh.
Okay ka na eh.
I think candy is not right about you. I think pie is right about you.
Oh, last but not the least.
Ella!
Boy, please pick a word.
Hindi ko alam kapag nakikipag-usap ako sa mga anak ko, tama yung English.
Please speak in English.
I don't think so if my English is right when I speak into my children.
To my children.
Okay, and your word is?
In my word... What the hell?
Ano? What did you say?
Transcendent!
Oh, in take two. Oh, so long.
Transcendental!
Transcendental. 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 Okay? Oh,
Teka, bakit yung sa kanila may explanation sa akin? Wala.
Hindi na, basta kaya mo na yan. You have 5 seconds. Ready? Go.
I think I'm lucky because I overpassed the accident, so I passed through the transaccident.
Walang sense! I'm a winner!
Okay. Mga kababol, mamaya abangan nyo sa dulo ng show. At wag na lang. Kung kailangan pa ba natin i-announce kung sino ang pinakawalang kwenta, kay Buboy o kay Angel.
Dalawa yan.
Yun lang naman yan. Dalawa.
Dalawa kailangan natin. At pag nalaman natin, doon na rin natin sila bibigyan ng parusa. Kaya wala nga alis, samahan nyo kami dito sa longest running gag show ng bansa. This is
Anytime, anyone, anyhow. Halika manood at sumigaw. Anywhere in the world, everybody in the